Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I am Julia. I'm a Buffalo-based content creator, and I love making videos about owning your own business, travel, life with celiac, shopping hauls, and today I'm so excited because today we have a fun haul video for you guys from the Mayfair Group. I shopped the Mayfair Group's big annual sale, and I got myself a new sweat set as well as another sweatshirt, and I got two of the same sweatshirt because one of them is going to be a gift for one of my best friends. So let's do an unboxing together. As you can see, I'm a little bit dressed up today. I have an event that I'm going to for a client, so I've got on this long sleeve shirt and this skirt, which we're gonna end up taking off and changing as we try on these things in my fun Mayfair Group haul. Look at this big bag. I am so excited to dive into this, so let's start the haul. Item number 1, item number 2, and item number 3. Because item number 4 is gonna stay in its packaging and everything because, like I said, it's a gift for a friend. So let's dive into it. Let's dive into the gift first. I got one for myself, got one for my girlfriend. I'm so excited. So this is a cream colored crew neck. Oh my gosh, I love it so much for a few reasons. Okay, firstly, look at the collar. Look how cute these 3 little stars are. Then it has the name of the brand in the middle in this really nice stitched rainbow print. You can see it says Mayfair, which I absolutely love. And it is plain on the front. And then in the back, it says, "You make the world a brighter place." It's so cute. The messaging is so sweet. Let me try it on so you guys can see the fit. Oh wait, hold on. And then the cutie, I absolutely love this. On the sleeve, there's this fun little patch that says, "The world is a brighter place because you're in it. Life is a gift and so are you." And I'm giving this to one of my friends who just is like sunshine in human form. This is the literal perfect gift for her. So I'm very excited to get that in the mail, but I have something else. Like it was just her son's birthday, so I'm gonna get a little thing for her son as well and put together a fun little holiday care package for her. So that is this. We're gonna keep it in the bag. And I will keep, I'll keep the receipt on this. But yeah, this is gonna be for my friend, and then let me try this crew neck on because I'm so excited about it. This is the crew neck. I got a size extra small, which I'm so happy that I did because the size small medium is just a little bit too big. This is the back. And I just love it. I love it so much. As you guys know, I have just fallen in love with the Mayfair Group because the quality of their stuff is so freaking good. It's like unlike anything else from a sweat set standpoint. Like I've never experienced cozier stuff. And I absolutely love the fact that every single set is surrounding a mental health messaging. It's all about like empathy, feeling good, making others feel good. And I absolutely love that from a brand values standpoint. That's so aligned with my personal values and the way that I go about building my platform. So I just have loved shopping from the Mayfair Group, and their customer service is excellent. Like fantastic. They ship things super quickly. They're really responsive. So 10 out of 10 from a customer experience standpoint. So this is item number 1, the "You Make the World a Better Place" crew neck. So now that we've tried this on, let me try on items number 2 and 3 in this haul because we got ourselves one more matching set from the Mayfair Group. Next up in our haul, we have the Empathy Always set. I am so excited about this set for a few reasons. I absolutely love this shade of green. If you know me, you know I love green so much. And I just love this color. I love the print on it. Let me try on the crew neck first, and then we'll try on the sweatpants. So I got the crew neck in a size extra small, and I got the sweatpants in a size small medium. So here's the crew neck. Empathy Always. We've got Mayfair here, and what I love, love, love is look at the back. Look at the empathy across the back of the arms. It's so cool. I absolutely love that. I absolutely freaking love this. I love the color. I love how cozy it is. Oh, I absolutely freaking love this crew neck. And I know I'm gonna love the sweatpants too, honestly. And what's fun about the sweatpants is the sweatpants are not a like tight bottomed pant. They're like a relaxed, not a, they're not like an elastic bottom sweatpant. They're a relaxed sweatpant. And I literally have not bought a relaxed bottom sweatpant in years. I'm honestly very excited about it. I know that it means that sometimes they're gonna drag on the floor a little bit, but I'm okay with that. I really am. So let me get these out of the packaging. So here are the sweatpants. We've got Mayfair across the top of the right leg. And then we have the puff print Empathy on the left leg, and it like goes around the leg. So Empathy Always. And you can see the bottom of the sweatpants is just like a relaxed kind of fit. There's no elastic at the bottom. So let me try these on. I'm so excited. Are you so excited too? Are you excited too? So I'm just wearing my fleece tights, and I'm gonna put these on over the fleece tights. Hi, Huda. And oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I'm literally obsessed. This is so freaking cozy. Oh my God, how cute. This is giving airport fit vibes. I'm absolutely obsessed. The sweatpants are definitely a little bit long on me, but I knew that that would be the case, and I honestly don't mind because I'm literally just gonna be wearing these around the house. And if I do decide that I'm gonna wear them like out, then maybe I'll get them hemmed at the bottom. Maybe. I honestly doubt it though. But this is the Empathy Always set. I absolutely love it. I cannot say enough good things about the Mayfair Group. I love their materials. I love the fit. I love the oversized fit of how things lay. I love their stitching. Like, it's always just so quality. You can really see like how nicely this is done. They always do the puff print so well, so you can like feel it. It's just really sharp. It looks so good. The materials are so soft and cozy. The mission of the company is so incredible, of being really focused on mental health, of being really focused on self-supportive statements that go on the clothes, because when you're out and about and someone sees Empathy Always or sees you make the world a brighter place, like, it is very hard to not smile and feel good when seeing that kind of messaging out and about in the world. So I absolutely love wearing these sets, not just because they're super cozy and I love the quality, but because I love the messaging that goes aligned, or that goes along with them. And the fact that my values are so deeply aligned with the Mayfair Group values when it comes to like mental health and just supporting people feeling good about themselves makes me feel good about the purchase. And like I said, I got these on a crazy discount. So I'm super excited, as is my bank account, that I literally got these 40% off. And yeah, I just absolutely love the Mayfair Group. I can't say enough good things about them. If you guys liked this fun, cozy clothes haul for like $200, because I got this set that other crew neck, You Make the World a Brighter Place crew neck for myself and for my friend Katie. At this point, I'm like, by the time that you see this video, you will know that that sweatshirt is yours. So got it for my dear friend Katie. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you do, hit the thumbs up and be sure to hit the bell and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And I will see you guys in the next one because we have a fun Abercrombie haul coming up for you guys. I got 2 new jackets for the winter that I'm very excited about. So that'll be an upcoming haul and some other fun things too.